Lissa, how did you do it so that your new diet changes didn't feel like a chore? Let's talk about that in this video. Thank you again for joining me here on YouTube. If you have been enjoying these videos and you enjoy my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like this video. You can also enjoy 40% off any or all of our raw vegan recipe ebooks. They're oil-free. We have over 700 recipes across all of our ebooks. You can get 40% off with code RAWFOOD40. The link is right here on the screen, as well as in the description box below. The 40% off code actually also works on our video courses. Nate has a video course on how to grow your own sprouts and microgreens in your office, and I have a course called Checkmate Your Cravings. So if you've been having issues with dealing with cravings, you can check out that video course. Both of them are, as I said, 40% off with code RAWFOOD40. The link is the same as the ebooks. You can find that there as well. So how did I make it so it didn't feel like a chore changing my diet and my lifestyle? It can feel like a chore. It definitely does feel like a chore sometimes, but for the most part, it doesn't. I actually thoroughly enjoy my lifestyle changes. I enjoy the food that I eat. I actually love eating raw food and I love preparing it. Now, in the beginning, it definitely had some of its challenges, and sometimes it did feel like a chore. There is a lot of chopping, there's blending, there's planning, there's changing our habit. But anything that is a habit change is gonna feel like a chore, not just your food. Changing into having a regular exercise regime can feel like a chore. Maybe even just going for a walk every day after dinner can feel like a chore. Increasing your hydration can feel like a chore. The thing is that you have to change your mindset. Instead of saying, I have to change or I need to change, use words like I want to change. I desire to change. This is something that I want for myself. And this puts all the control back in your hands. When we say things like I have to or I need to, it infers that we're not good enough, that we're not doing enough, that we suck because we're not where we want to be. Saying these words can feel disempowering. It can feel like we just suck. So changing the words from I have to or I need to I want to gives the power back to you. It's super empowering. You feel stronger. You feel motivated. You actually want to do these things. You want to go work out. You want to eat a salad. You want to make a smoothie. You want to eat that fruit that you love so much. You desire these things. You desire to make a raw salad. When you want something, you're going to go for it. You might want pizza. You might want a salad. You're going to go for what you want most. Now, we may want a pizza. We may also want a salad. But what are the results that we want? If you want the results from the pizza, go for that. But if you want the results more from the salad, if you want the empowering feeling of eating something healthful, if you want the hydration, if you want the satiation, if you love the flavor, choose the salad. It really is based on what you want. You are in control of your choices. And when we say I need to or I have to, it feels like a chore because we have to, we need to. If we don't do it, then we're not going to get this thing. This becomes chore based. If you want to and you desire to, then you actually enjoy doing it for the most part, obviously. We want to do these things. We want to make these different changes so that we actually enjoy the process more, and repetition is going to be the most powerful here. So in the beginning, it's easy to say, I need to change my diet. I need to go to bed early. I need to start working out. I need to stop smoking. I need to eat more fruit. I need to eat more salads. I need to do this and I need to do that. It's easy to say that. Instead, say, I want to work out more. I want to go for a walk after dinner. That's what I actually want to do. If you really want these habit changes, then tell yourself that you want them. You want to be doing these things. You want to become the person who does these things. who makes their salad for lunch the next day. You want to go to bed early so that you can wake up and prep your meals for the day. You want to be doing these things. So I hope this helps to shift some of the chore feelings that come along with changing our diets, changing our lifestyles, changing our habits. Habits are hard to change because it's not the new habit that's hard. It's the old habit that is trying so hard to cling on to you and to stick around because it's comfortable, it's easy, it's convenient. It's a habit. We are creatures of habit, and we're always going to default to what's easy and convenient and comforting, even if it's not serving us. So again, it's not the new habit that's hard. It's that we feel like we need to do the new habit or we have to do it, and it becomes a chore. So change the way you view the new habit and embrace the new habit. If it's really something you want, then tell yourself that you want it. I hope this video helped somebody out there to change that perception when it comes to changing your habits. If you liked this video, please click like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to get some of our ebooks 40% off. The code is rawfood40. The link is right here as well as in the description box below. You can also check out our web-based meal planning app. New recipes are added every month. It generates a meal plan for you every week and a grocery list so that you can make all the meals that are in your meal plan. So check that out as well. It's $5 a month, billed quarterly or yearly. That is at rawfoodromance.com. So until the next video, guys, again, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again for a future video. Until then, fruit on.